regarding food, when we are talking of veganism has come into food. Do you think it should be practiced that very?
See, how about Lord Krishna?
He was a shepherd actually. He used to be in the midst of so many cows.
So you drank milk happily?
Happily.
So why can't you drink milk happily?
We can drink milk happily.
Is Krishna wrong or right?
He is a very great Lord. Yes, he is right.
If you say only for veganism, you must say that Krishna is wrong. I will never dare say that Krishna is wrong.
Correct.
I will always say that Krishna is right. If Krishna is right, this is right.
Correct.
Don't put big missions on
Cows to get the milk out. And
draw the milk.
Yeah, and they
lovingly do it.
Yeah.
Love is important, either for a tree or for a cow.
Yes. Correct.
Understand?
Yes.
Cow wants to give milk, like the trees want to give the fruit. The cows want to give the milk. Come, drink it.
Correct.
We say cow is the mother. Mother says, take my milk, but don't hurt me. So, all this veganism, I said, if you say this so, then Krishna must be wrong. Krishna is never wrong.
He loved all the products, ghee, butter,
yes,
everything.
So I am for Krishna.
Products, yes.
I am a follower of Krishna.
Yes.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian ಚಾನಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.